Actually, here I use two noise nodes, but for these two noise nodes are same. Okay, so in this type of case, we need to optimize our Nuke scene because here the calculations of this noise will take some time, right? Some mathematics calculations involved in this algorithm, in the noise algorithm. So see, this type FBM is there, right? FBM and turbulence. FBM stands for frequency Brownian motion. This turbulence also some algorithm is there. To calculate these algorithms inside our CPU, I mean inside our processor, it will take some time. Actually, these two noise nodes are same. For this noise node, the same calculations. For this noise 2 node also same calculations. So this transform node we will connect here because the same will be there, right? The result is same. See, if I am connecting to this noise node, the result is same. So I'm deleting this noise node. Okay. So now just we optimized our scene. Now I will create a roto, take an ellipse. Okay, the result is in alpha only. I want in RGBA. Okay, first I will take a merge node. To swap the A and B inputs, I will use Shift X in the keyboard. Always I will put as the input we are merging as A input, because I can see the difference by pressing D on the keyboard. Okay. You know, the it's looking like this is not what we want, right? So we take a edge detect. Okay, edge detect will give us in the alpha we can see the result for the edge detect node. See here we can see the result only inside the alpha. So what I will do is I will take a shuffle node, and the alpha in the edge detect node, in the alpha the ring, the result is there. So this alpha we need into RGBA, sorry, RGB. Got it, right? The alpha we need to transform to RGB, but in the RGB the circle is there, I mean some another result is there, but in the alpha the ring is there. So from alpha to RGB I need to transfer in the shuffle. This is the alpha. I don't want this red, green, blue. Okay, from alpha just I am dragging. Okay, like this. Now see, now you both in RGB and A we have the same result. Now we will see how this will work. Just alpha we added. I'm sorry, the ring only we added. Okay, but this is also not our result. Okay, what we will do? Just I will create another viewport here. Okay, I click Windows, new comp here. Okay, this is our final result. This is our final result. This is what we will adjust every time. Okay, this is just ring. See, now if I'm adding blur, see, now also it's not coming. You can see that very, if we are adding more blur, then we can see how it's blending. It need to be like this, right? It's almost bending here. Yeah, now 80% came. This is what we want, right? 80% came result. First, what we did? We take a noise node. Okay, we take a noise node and just we transformed it, and we merged both by using the minus operation just to see the more result. Just we added a grade, I mean color corrected, so we got the rock kind of texture, and we took a roto node, we edge detected it, and we transformed alpha to RGB, and we blurred it, and we merged. Very simple. Very simple. We merged it, right? See here, the blur is very important. The blur is doing more. By using blur, we are getting more result. In the blur also, if we are keeping 1 or 2, I mean like even till 10 also it's not coming. Like it's like 30 or that depending on our edge detect look, we need to add the blur value. Okay, now here almost we got the look, right? But here, if I took a bump bus, what is it? Bump bus A and B. This is as your wish. Just I'm moving a little bit outside. I took a bump bus. This A, this is B, and I added bump bus. At intensity 0, and light height is you can add how much you want. Is the center light position. Okay, this is like opposite side. Actually, previously we added light this side. Now we are adding opposite side. Merge node, and this is A and this is B, and add gradient here. You know how it is coming. See now it is adding opposite side. Oh, we can decrease the values here, like shadow intensity a little bit. This is all what we are doing here is just we are adding little bit details, and we'll take the just we are doing a little bit compositing one by one we are doing. See, first we added the ring by using merge node, and after that we did we had the rock kind of a feel,